How to change Google account name? Follow this step. First, start by opening the Gmail on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Manage your Google account. This will direct you to the main setting page. Once you're on the Google account page, head over to the Personal Info tab. Under the Basic Info section, look for the name option and click on it. Here you will be able to view and edit your current name. Now click on your current name that you wish to change. At this point, remove your old name and type in the new name you would like to display across the Google services. Finally, after entering the new name, hit the Save button at the bottom right corner. And your name will be now updated. And that's all. You have successfully changed your Google account name.